Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Uzair and I am going to teach you class 8th physics. Our first chapter is physical quantities and measurements. And before we begin our journey to this wondrous world of physics, let us have a brief review of what we have learned in the previous classes. What is science? Science is organized, systematic study of nature through observations and experimentations. The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Now, how exactly do we get this knowledge, and where exactly do we get this knowledge from? We get this knowledge through observation and experiment, and we get this knowledge from our surroundings. So, basically, science is all about nature, all about everything that is around us, and it gets its name or it gets its data from observation and experimentation. Broadly speaking, science is classified into two main classes or branches: natural sciences and life sciences. Since I am not going to teach you biology, so I will leave life sciences aside. We will talk about physics. Now, physics and chemistry are the sub-branches of natural sciences, whereas chemistry deals with the nature of matter, physics deals with matter, energy and their relationship. In that sense, mathematics, it is called the mother of sciences, because you will find mathematics in not only physics or chemistry but also in life sciences. Since it is the mother of all sciences, as I said earlier, therefore its importance cannot be ignored. Today's topic is physics. Now we are going to start our journey into the wondrous world of physics, and before we start that journey, before we embark on our journey, let us again define physics: study of matter, energy and their interconversion, or in other words, their relationship. Now, what exactly is matter and what exactly is energy? Matter is anything that occupies a certain volume, and if anything occupies a definite volume, it means it has a mass. Therefore, we define matter as something having volume and mass. What is energy? In physics, we define energy in the particular terms of ability of a body to do work. Work has a definite meaning in physics, but we will not deal it here, we will deal it in later chapters. Now, how do we get data or information for our physics or physical sciences? This is the point where we need numbers, where we need units, and where we need instruments. We need numbers to define or quantify the matter. We need units to make it simple and easier in calculation. And we need instruments to gather information to verify our observations. Now, branches of physics. Physics is a vast discipline. So, in order to simplify its study, we have organized physics into different branches. The first one is mechanics. Mechanics deals with forces and motion. Then is thermodynamics. Simply stated, it is study of heat. How do we generate heat, or how heat is created, how heat is transferred, and how exactly do we put it to use. Then is acoustics, sound, production, propagation and reception of sound waves. This is what we deal in acoustics. Next is optics, the study of light, nature of light, the wavelengths and the physical properties of light, and different instruments that help us establish our goal in studying optics. Now is electricity and magnetism. The world has seen a tremendous development since the Renaissance, the 15th century revolution that resulted in the way we live and the world we are living in. All is because of electricity and magnetism. Electricity is basically study of electrons, the microcosmic world, and the relationship of electron with magnets and their relationship with each other. Then we come to atomic physics. Atomic physics basically deals with the microcosmic world. It studies the very essence of matter, that is atom. Next is nuclear physics. Nuclear physics deals with the nuclei of matter or atoms. It deals with the particles that are within the nucleus and their core characteristics and properties. Now is plasma physics. So far we have read or we have taught our children that matter exists in three states only, namely solids, liquids and gases. But plasma is the fourth state of matter. In plasma physics we study the plasma and its characteristics. Plasma is defined as ionized state of gas. Last is geophysics. Geophysics deals with the structure and properties of Earth and its structure. And it is an important study in determining the geological aspects of the Earth and nuclear and astrological physics. These are some major branches of physics which we are dealing here or which we will be dealing in the next few chapters. I hope I have made myself loud and clear. I have tried to explain each and everything in detail that we will be dealing with. I hope to see you again in the next video with the next topic. Thanks very much. Allah Hafiz.